Travis with Lansing Auto Mart. You can find us online at lansingautomart.org. Today we're at the Hisun Ride event. We're at Pikes Off-Road in Bowling Green, Missouri. We're excited to show you guys some awesome units. I am actually trail riding the little HISUN Sector 250. Is that what this model is designed for? Not at all. Can it do it? Surprisingly, yes. This model is obviously meant for tooling around your property, going up and down to the dock if you have a lake property, or cruising around your yard or your farm. It's got a nice little dump bed. It's a very usable little machine. Beats the heck out of a golf cart. Somebody that's using a golf cart now to move stuff around, you got a dump bed on this, all-terrain tires, liquid cooled engine. It's actually got a surprising amount of power, but it is just a little two-wheel drive. It has a high and a low gear. I'm gonna test drive it with you guys and show you going up and down some hills. I was surprised in low gear it can actually get up and down some hills. So let's go take this one for a quick ride. I've done kind of a quick start video on the 250 before, and I did a little test ride, but that was just around our property at the dealership. Like I said, I'm out here in Bowling Green at Pikes Off-Road Park. Awesome park. If you haven't been, I would highly recommend it. But like I said, this is a little two-wheel drive machine. I'm in low gear, and we're gonna see if it can make it up this big hill. It's a little deceiving in the camera work here. It doesn't look near as steep as it does in person, but we're gonna go show you what it can do. Well, there you have it, guys. The question I posed was, will it trail ride? My answer is yes. Big disclaimer, is it designed to trail ride? No. But I just wanted to show you guys this is actually a very capable machine. So using it how our customers would actually use it on their property, this thing's got enough torque and power in low gear that it can go up a pretty significant hill. And like I said, if you want to, you could do a little bit of trail riding, just be careful. This is a super capable little machine. I'm really impressed with it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks again for watching.